In this exercise I will do something what I have never done before, making marks with this thing. And this cane is the Lauder. I love this, but I cannot keep it forever because I'm traveling. Currently I'm in Florida. Who knows where else I will be next year. Many different places. I can't take with me all of those nice things, but I want to take this beautiful memory. So I took this thing, what was inside, and that is what I tried that it fits to my page, art journal, which I already did some time ago. Here now is, I have this yellow background. I usually don't throw out colors, my art supplies. I just color pages, and then I have colored pages on what I'm working. So this time I have this yellow and I want to keep this red. So I took this color wheel and then I can see how can I combine. So I will show you. So here I have this color wheel and I find this red color that I want to keep. That's magenta. That's the same as red. And following to this triangle, red, yellow, and I will find a way how to put also some blue in it. And so I start. First I'll cover this with color. I have to do it very fast because in Florida it's very hot. It might dry very quickly. And this is magenta, red with primary red. Sometimes I just don't throw out stuff. This one came from a hotel and I didn't throw this out. I just washed it and then I use this paper for mixing colors, and only then I can throw this out. So I'm everything about keeping stuff and using stuff. And don't throw out stuff. And we'll see what mark it will leave, what it will be like, and what art will come out from this. You just allow this to develop itself and press. And let's lift and see. What do we have now? This is what we have. It came off with some paper from here. As you see, some paper is off, but that's okay. It totally goes well together with my intention of having some memories from this box. And this texture is also very lovely. I will show you. It's a very lovely texture. Sometimes when I travel, I have no clue where I have some supplies. Like today, I cannot find my mud podge. I just can't, because we just moved in this place for a couple of days. And I also cannot find anything gold because I wanted to put some gold. So I will gonna do this later. And instead of gluing with Mod Podge or any kind of glue, as I told you, I have no clue where is my glue. Then I will use acrylic color. Acryl, it is the same as medium, so we can use also acrylic color. So I will show you what I'm going to do. Together with this box, I got these beautiful things, and I will gonna glue down. As I told you, I don't have clue where's my glue. I will glue with this white. Somehow it fits here very well, and maybe I want to use this one too. This is neutral color and this can be used. This is not going against color wheel rules, so I will probably put this here. And what do I do next is I want to add some red but I will leave it here as it is. I can play with different marks like this. Actually, I'll put something to integrate this image into this. I'll put this here too, so that it would feel as a part of my art I have integrated in my life. I have found that this product is the best for me. I have tested it through years, and so I integrate it also into my art. Show appreciation that something like this exists and is available for me. Okay, now I got this page with marks, with paper from Original, with something that I want to keep. And probably you have this question, the same as me. What's next? What can I do now with this blue? Because we started with yellow, then with red, and then where's the place for the blue? Let's see. Either I can make marks or write something. I decided to write. Today's word about my life was just what you know, and I will write on that. What else? We'll see. As you see, artworks are something what develops by themselves. Of course, we need to know some kind of theory, like color theory, and there are many different moving parts. My art didn't look like art at all at the beginning, just a big mess. It becomes better now, and I want also to help you to learn what I have learned, so that you also can play some marks, because I really want to check how it looks like when it comes into this art. Because Estee Lauder is not about blue or yellow, it's white and red. We'll see how it works. Maybe it's enough just with these to create interesting feeling. It's all about feelings. What we are doing here is about feelings. Maybe should I use just a black pen? That's what I will gonna do. So yeah, as you see, the idea develops. Or maybe I can draw something in here, like to remind me what it actually was. So this page ended up like this. I started to draw this, then I wrote what I wanted, and always I write also the date, blue marks, and I added some. Maybe later I will add something more, but at this moment I am really satisfied with the result. I also love this texture. Here's the leftovers from paper. So this way we just make art with what we have at home. Acrylic, Posca pen, fine liners. Always use waterproof, something like that. And see you the next time.